Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. I say evening, it's because I am doing this voiceover in the evening time. And this is Saturday afternoon. Oh, so beautiful. And this is in Berkeley, downtown Berkeley. And I usually go to Berkeley in there on Sunday. So on Sunday, a lot of libraries closed, right? But this time on Saturday, and I got the chance to see the main library in Oakland. And as usual, usually the library are in downtown area, right? Near the civic center, near the city hall, and it feels quite otherworldly. I don't know. Every time I travel to my nearby city, I always feel something so strange, not strange, so eye-opening and unique. So I checked this library is built in 1929 started, and you can see they are. I like the design. This is the old book sale, library bookstore, and I have seen a lot of library like Utah Library, downtown Utah, downtown Minnesota. They have this library and bookstores, and I like it. It has a quite unique feeling. And this is a library. You can see the design, quite art deco. It's the beginning of 20th century, 1920, 1900, 1920, 1930. That period of design is very American industrial beauty, and very geographic, straight line, very functional, and still there is the old Art Nouveau, the old art style, classic art style, have that sense remaining, and with very industrialized. You can feel that the art style is from handmade into machine-made. And I think a couple of years ago in San Francisco, there is an art exhibition in De Young Museum, particularly about this period of American art. And this library is one of a live sample of those art style. See this chair. Simple, beauty, functional, and there is not that much of curve and difficulty, and easy to manipulate, to machine produce. And this window, huge window, very very bright, but not yet so bright as the building now. Now the building material now we are seeing a lot of glass building, right? Building with a glass wall and a huge window. It's because we have a better structural support, better material, the use of steel material, so we can make big, huge glass that stands strong and stands bright. At that time, it's real brick and cement maisonnage, right? Maison, yes. And you can see a lot of cement, a lot of brickworks, and the material there are also very simple, very simple. You see, this is machine made, but delicately designed, functional, very functional. A lot of the bookshelves are made of wood. I think this one is metal one. Maybe this is newly added in. And you can see from here, within one building, there are different mezzanine, different added level of steps. So, how do I say it? It's one huge block building. From outside, it's like a matchbox with pretty simple design, but the relief, the flat panel sculpture was very artsy, very classy, and there are different compartments. I like it. The library that makes into different sections. I think it's very good. And you can see big, huge glass roof lighting, and the lighting design is very, very cool. And there are some the selections of mineral collections. And this, I think, is, this is a children's section. Yeah, I love it. And people say the children's section are really good, and it is true. There is a big carpet for the very young baby to play around, and a lot of books. Yeah. Is this the place? And how do I say, a lot of student artwork, some you see the star decoration and everything. It's that shelf is made of wood, still made of wood. So there is a lot of these very classy things. And the children's section is one of the tallest, and it kind of separate from the different floor, and with the baby children there is some noise, some very lively sound, and this is a Saturday afternoon, and the family coming out is just very lively, very perfect. And I like library has a lot of compartment, a lot of sections, so that each section has its own function, has its own spirit, let's say. And the quiet reading sections are quiet. The teenager sections is so I'm sorry for the background noise. Family is having a fun time. It's and you can see a lot of children's movie DVDs and all this. It's very. This one is a story room. You can see. It didn't use that much, maybe. Maybe they can use this as a children's a theater, kind of theater. Beautiful books. Oh, I love beautiful books. Look at this. So, oh, when you see the artist. So you made it.
Yeah.
Thank you. And you inspire me.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
nice.
yeah.
Do you teach art? Who
Elementary.
Elementary.
Yeah, illustrator. Oh yeah. This is a piece of artwork, and that is the lady who made it, and I find it very, very inspiring. It's used recycled paper, craft paper, and she made a curtain as if watching out to see the Golden Gate Bridge, and yeah, just very, very. I like it. I like to see these books. Yeah, and they do have a lot of collection of books, and I think this is the music section. Yes, this is the music and the record, the vinyl record board. And oh my gosh, very, very big. This place is much bigger than many other libraries. Yeah, some pretty good collections. I do not know music, so I do not know very much. But if someone is very much into records, into these things, this is really a wonderful place to browse around. It's a little bit like amoeba. It's like going to a record store. I'm sure there are people who love this record and find a lot of enjoyment in this. And yeah, that is it. I think this part is, oh, this might be the Chinese language, international language. And this part, oh, so because this is Saturday, I actually came to another library. Berkeley has several branches, and this is one of their branch with artificial fire chimney, and this is a very small. I think this is a Claremont branch. They have 1, 2, West, Claremont, North, maybe South, 4 or 5 branches. Yeah, you can see that fire is gas fire, but it feels so good. Read a book in the chimney and a fire. These are the sculpture, flat panel sculpture I'm talking about. And it's so classy, right? Bricks and wood, yeah. So that's about it. And driving around Berkeley feels so good. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Cuckoo, bye bye.